Hi students, today my topic on portfolio making. Now for most of the students or any professional, you people have gone through this particular subject called portfolio, and it could be in various understanding. Might be it's a fashion portfolio, or might be it's a modeling portfolio. The models, they have their own collections of portfolio. The graphic designer has their own portfolio. So when we talk about this particular portfolio, it is an end product of a particular project. So what happens is that most of the people are trying to run from 0 to 10, and 10 is the project of portfolio. So what happens is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they're not aware what happens in these fingers or what happens on this particular level. What they understand is that we need a portfolio. Now what is a portfolio? A portfolio is something which reflects yourself, your work in it. You just can't make a portfolio over time. Portfolio needs some time. There's a research, there's a study, there's an exploration, there is a collection. There's so many things. But the sad part of us to understand is that we skip up all those things. And the people who have done several courses related to all the subjects, they start and fail out here because from portfolio, the next chapter which starts is the forecasting portfolio. But when you really don't know about the part of portfolio, that is a problem where you start missing the essence. What I missed? Why my collections are not looking different? Why my stuff is not unique? Name the designers. Name the designers. You'll find either it's a copy from international market, or a copy from Pinterest, or from social subjects or media. The thing is that when it comes to personalized work, that is where you feel I'm losing some elements, and that is the originality of yourself which you never wanted to bother with. What is my skill? I'm really good with my pencil. You'll forget about it. But same thing when you were in your school time, you choose your pen, which is the best pen you like writing. It's a ball pen, it's a gel pen, it's an ink pen. You analyze which is the best pen. But as you keep on growing, you are so messed up with your own stuff, you really forget your skill, what is good in you. And you start following up one or the other thing, copying from somewhere, and try to get a mixture in your own ideas, and then you see the originality is all relaxed. It's a trouble. It's a trouble. If you feel most of the people feel, I have done my course, I have my degree in my hand, and what happened end of the time? What you guys are doing right now? It's a question to understand to yourself. There's a full stop. Why the world is not recognizing you? What has the problem happened to you to understand where the mistake has happened? Is the solution which I am getting in my topic today. My subject of understanding portfolio begins with the scrapbook level 1. You search in Pinterest, you search in YouTube, you search in any stuff. You will not get this subject of scrapbook, how you really need to make it, where I promise you from the scrapbook level to the portfolio level, I'll guide you what exactly it is needed. It shows you in everything. There is no copy, there is all original, all about you, which I'm going to help you out. And understand the simple. For this understanding, you need not need to reach some big brand to study all those things. If you need to know who you are, it is all about you. You need to know who you are. Other people are just going to help a surface ornamentation about your life. Do this, but at the end of the time, you need to do everything. So in my topic, which I am going to start simply, is a scrapbook, which is a level 1 for you to understand. In this, I'll teach you how to make the first basic portfolio, a small scrapbook presentation, what is needed, how you do it. Then when you come to the second level, the intermediate level, and then when you come to the final level, all 3 levels are different. Don't get confused, correct? Everything for portfolio is going to happen out here. It happens out here. Give time. It's a process of a female delivering a child. There is a process out here also. You need to understand this process. So have patience, give some time, and attend the lecture properly. Listen carefully to what I am trying to tell, so you understand the topic is jumping from one level to another level, to another level to a third level. Don't impress me, impress yourself. Always vertically and horizontally look your work. What is the standard of your work? Don't need to compare with anyone, because it's all about you. If you are a person eating chapati, don't match up with the part of pizza. Leave it. You will come to pizza one day, but till then hold on to what it is a basic line. Start jumping now, you mess up with everything. You mess up with all the breads what you eat. Don't jump on the conclusions, start with the beginning. Alright, so my class starts with you with a scrapbook. Good luck to all my students for the upcoming sessions with me.